Hello, Fiverr community. This is Keith Johnson. I need someone who knows AutoCAD and rendering. Now, before I get started, I want to let you guys know that the budget for this project will be $35 US. $35 US. If you are not comfortable with that budget, then I can't work with you. $35 US or below. Now, before I continue, I just want to make sure that it's very clear, because throughout this video I'm going to be very, very clear with you all. The budget, $35 US. What do I need delivered? I need 60 images of photorealistic 3D quality images of watches. 60 images total. 60. Okay? Now, what are the images? We have a French watch company. There are 12 watches in this collection. There's going to be 6 men watches and 6 women watches. And the images have to be high detailed, great lighting, and 5 angles for each watch. So every watch will have 5 images. So there are 12 watches. So it will equal 60 images total. Very simple. 5 times 12 equals 60 images. All right? Now, the delivery time, I need this done within 3 to 4 days. So I need this done preferably by Thursday, February 23rd, 2017. Okay? The latest, Friday, February 24th, 2017. But I would really want this done by Thursday. Now, I am going to premiere the watch collection, okay? And I'm going to show you the watches. I need someone who specializes in AutoCAD and rendering, and they have to have high detail, great lighting, 5 angles for a total of 60 images. The budget and the delivery time. So what are the watches? All right, so we have 6 men watches and 6 women watches. Very simple. We're going to show off the men collection now. Now, there's 2 mini collections inside the men's collection. You have Lasiva, which has 3 watches, and you have Master, which has 3 watches. So let's take a look at the Lasiva collection. Beautiful watch right here, okay? Black with the red detailing, okay? The logo and the name of the company is Hugh Capet. Now, every watch will have 5 angles, okay? So I need 5 angles of this watch. I need the top of the image of the watch, the bottom of the watch, the left side of the watch, the right side of the watch, as well as a close-up of the watch that can show off the logo. So there's going to be 5 images for every watch that you see. Okay? So 5 pictures of this watch, top, bottom, left, right, and a close-up. 5 images of this watch, okay, with the orange strap and color design, and 5 images of this watch. Now, it's really, really important that the color is accurate. It has to be the exact same quality that you see here, okay? From the color and the quality of the image, okay? It has to be the exact same color and quality as what you see here, or else we could run into legal problems. So I need someone who's able to replicate these watches exactly, but give me different angles. So 5 images of those watches, okay? So again, 5 images of this one, 5 images of that one, 5 images of that one. That completes the Lasiva collection. There were 3 in there. Now, the Master collection, 3 watches in that. So I need 5 images of this one, 5 images of this one. Notice the detailing, very nice. And 5 images of this one. And again, the colors have to look just right, okay? Those are the 3 watches in the Master collection, as you see in the folder, okay? Now, the women watches. Let's go to we're going to the women's watches now. There's 6 watches in the women's collection. We have Cosmopolitan. So we're going to take a look at the Cosmopolitan. There's 3 women watches in the Cosmopolitan collection. Okay, beautiful image. You see the detailing of the strap. I just need 5 images of this watch from those angles. 5 images of this watch right here. 5 images of this watch. Okay, black strap, black bezel. Okay, great quality images. Look just like this. Okay, now that was 3 watches in the Cosmopolitan. Now we're going to look at the Glamour. The Glamour collection has 3 women watches inside. I need 5 angles of this watch right here, and they have to look exactly like this. 5 images of this watch, and 5 images of this watch. Now, there's one more detail. Now, I need watches that can show off images, close-up shots, beautiful images, okay? Photorealistic like these, okay? Just different angles, okay? Has to have full quality, okay? But it has to resemble the collection. Now, there's going to be some additional details, okay? On the bottom of the watch, you're going to have an image. I need the image to look like this, okay? For the back of the case, as well as the buckle. The buckle will have the logo on it as well. And the hand strap. For the hand strap, the logo will be on the hand strap. Hugh Capet on the hand strap. So the back of the case, the buckle, and the hand strap will also be included in those images. Now, I had a previous designer work on the collection, but the collection wasn't as high quality. I'm going to show you some of the work. Okay, now my designer did this, okay, but there were some problems with the lighting and the angles. Okay, all right, that's the 3rd image. This is the 4th image, and of course the back of the watch has to have that logo. The strap needs the logo, and the buckle. Okay, now as you can see, this was done by a previous designer, but I needed something more quality, higher quality. So again, to stay true to the collection, I need someone to replicate these watches exactly as you see on the samples, but create different images, while also adding the details of the stamp, the hot stamp on the strap, as well as the back of the watch and the buckle. So you are creating 5 images per watch, and you're adding the buckle, the back of the case, and the hot stamp of the strap. Now, with that being stated, again, I need this work delivered within 3 to 4 days. The budget is $35, and there should be 60 images total from all 12 watches, 5 angles a piece, okay? Now, that is the end of this video. I will need someone who is interested, okay? If you are interested, show me some examples of your work. If you have worked with watches before, great, but I can't hire another designer because we need this done this week. And so I need someone who can do the job within the budget, high quality, and if you can show me some examples of your work with watches, that will help me hire you a lot faster. When I hire you, I will send you over the files, and you can get started working immediately. The work should take no longer than 48 hours. However, if we can get this done within 3 days, 72 hours, that would be great. So if you are interested and you have looked at this entire video, I need you to send me an offer of the $35 or lower if you can be competitive. I also need you to write back to me, and this is when you really need to listen. You need to write back to me exactly what I'm looking for. You need to handwrite it in a paragraph and say, I understand the order. You are looking for this, this, and this, and you are also looking for this, this, and this. Your budget is this. The delivery date is this. I need you to have good English and communication skills. I will send you over an attachment if we decide to work together so we can communicate together. But I need you to be able to send me an offer that fits within my budget and be able to tell me in your very first message what I am looking for. So I know you watched the video, you paid attention, and that will help me hire you a lot faster. I will hire someone today. So with that being stated, make me an offer and send me over the paragraph of what you learned in the video so I know who to hire. Do not send me an offer if you cannot do the job of high quality, okay? Because the samples I showed you earlier wasn't that high quality, okay? I don't need quality like this, okay? You know, I need really good quality. Now, with that being said, send me your offer. Send me the information details of what you can do for me and what I'm looking for, and I will hire someone today, which is February 20th. I will talk to you soon. Bye.